Hey, I am Santiago Rivera and welcome to my channel. I started this because I believe teens and young adults, or in other words, beginners, should understand money early and not when it's too late. No one teaches us how to save, invest, or make smart financial choices. I want to make it simple, clear, and real so you can start building the life you want today. What is financial freedom? Financial freedom isn't just about being rich, it's about having choices. This means that you're not trapped in a job you hate. You have built enough income through smart saving and investing. This means you are not worried about the next bill. This way, you make money work for you, and this gives you time, peace, and options to live life the way you want. Why it matters. Most people grow up and fall into the same trap, also called the rat race, which is study, get a job, work 40 years, retire late, and still worry about money. But it doesn't have to be that way. The earlier you understand how money works, the more time you have to build wealth and freedom. If you start now, while others wait, you will be years ahead, with fewer regrets, more control, and real freedom. So, how do you actually start? First, you need to understand that you don't need to be rich or a genius. You can start by following these three simple steps. The first one is to learn. You should learn the most you can about everything related. You can learn by watching videos like this, reading books related, and understanding three important parts of finance, which are saving, investing, and avoiding debt. Then, the second one is spend less than you earn. This sounds pretty basic, but it is powerful. You can start by making a small budget and saving at least 10% of what you earn. Number three is invest early. As you know, time is your biggest asset. You should start the earliest you can because here is when we introduce compounding. A great example is Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett admits he's not the best investor, meaning, by best investor, I mean an investor who gains the greatest returns in the smallest period of time. Warren Buffett has the money he has because he applied compounding and he started very early. This means if you start very early and you start growing that money, you gain some returns and you put that again in the market and gains more and put that again inside, you will create a great amount of money. And you should follow Warren Buffett example. We come to the end of this video. Financial freedom isn't about being lucky. It's about learning early and making smart decisions. You have the time, the tools, and now the knowledge. The rest is up to you. Subscribe for more videos that break down money and habits for young people. Let's grow together.